To start a professional office cleaning business, you need a precise list of supplies and a clear acquisition plan to be fully operational from day one. Begin by compiling a master inventory that covers cleaning tools, chemicals, safety gear, and operational essentials. For tools, list commercial-grade microfiber cloths, adjustable mop systems with washable heads, flat mops for large open areas, wet and dry vacuum cleaners rated for commercial use, extendable dusters, squeegees for glass, and assorted brushes for grout and vents. For chemicals, select neutral pH all-purpose cleaners, pH-balanced floor cleaners compatible with your floor types, streak-free glass cleaner, sanitizers approved for hard surfaces, restroom disinfectants with clear dwell times, and a separate degreaser for kitchens. Always keep manufacturer dilution instructions and safety data sheets with each product. Personal protective equipment should include nitrile gloves, safety goggles, face masks for dusty or chemical work, and slip-resistant footwear for all staff. Operational items include color-coded caddies or buckets to prevent cross-contamination, commercial trash liners, signage for wet floors, inventory labels, and a simple digital checklist or app to track supplies and client site needs. Purchase starter kits from reputable commercial cleaning suppliers to save time and ensure compatibility, or assemble items from local retailers and online vendors based on budget and immediate needs, prioritizing equipment longevity for cost efficiency. The most common mistake is underestimating chemical compatibility, which leads to surface damage or ineffective cleaning. Always test a new product on an inconspicuous area and follow dilution charts precisely. Another frequent issue is poor equipment maintenance that shortens tool life and increases costs. Set a weekly maintenance schedule for vacuum filters, mop head washing, and tool inspections and document each task. Finally, many new operators forget inventory control and run out of critical items during contracts. Implement a reorder threshold for every consumable and maintain a minimal backstock that covers at least 1 week of operations. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work opportunities connected to real projects. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and swap supplier and process recommendations to streamline starting and scaling an office cleaning business.